Okay, so now we're going to add a little bit more sophisticated sound to our level. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some foliage. So I'm just going to drag an oak tree into our level. I'll press on the F key so I can zoom in on it. So we've got this oak tree and we can position it. I'm just make it just go cut through the ground there. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some bird song in the tree. This time the bird song, the volume of the bird song will be dependent on how far away you are from the tree, and I'll show you how that's achieved. So the first thing is we'll go to the audio file. I'm just going to pick one of the bird songs. Okay, so I'm just going to drag that into the level, and I'm going to position it where the tree is so it will make it sound as though there's birds inside the tree. Okay, and you can see that's where the speaker is, that's where the source of the sound will be. Now at the moment we've got no control over the volume of the sound, so as we get further away from the sound we can't really tell how far away it is. So we do that by we select the audio, and on the right hand side, if you scroll down the details, if you select override actuation, you can see concentric circles that emanate from the tree now. If I just zoom out, you can see there are two spheres, the inner sphere and the outer sphere. So the inner sphere is when the volume of the sound is 100%. As you move out of that sphere and move away to the further sphere, the sound gets lower and lower and lower in volume until once you go past the second sphere you can't hear it. Now at the moment it's quite far away the distance, so it's very easy to change. If we scroll down you'll see actuation distance, and that's in centimeters. If we start changing this larger number, you can see as it gets closer, and we'll put it just where the entranceway is there. Okay. Now another thing that we need to make sure is that this bird song is repeating initially, so we'll just put it on a loop. It will sound a bit strange because it will be looping, but it's just being used just to show you the results. You can hear the sound of the bird in the tree tweeting away, and as we get further away, as you can see, it's gone away now. And if we get a bit closer, so that's a 3D sound. Okay, that's something that you can incorporate in the trees around your work.